Good day, everyone. Before we get started, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. Although I am a technician, I am not your technician. Please see your technician for professional advice. I am not responsible for any damage to you, your equipment, your cars, improvement in your love life. With that being said, stay safe, enjoy the content. Good day, everybody. Today's video is going to be filmed on a 2019 GMC Acadia. This side right here, closest to the firewall, is bank 1. So all your sensors, whether it's camshaft, actuator solenoids, or camshaft position sensors, oxygen sensors, any sensors that say bank 1, this side of the engine, this side. Bank 2 is going to be on the right side of the engine, the side closest to the radiator or the front of the vehicle. So from this angle, we got bank 2 on this side, bank 1 on this side. Good luck. This beautiful monster has the 3.6 V6 and the specific camshaft exhaust solenoid position actuator, whatever the verbiage is. I'll be showing you which one we're going to be replacing in a minute. First and foremost, we're going to go over the component really quick. This is what it looks like, fresh out of the box. These are, I don't know if anybody likes part numbers and barcodes or whatever. If you want to pause here and jot that stuff down. I'm talking with the parts clerk. It's my understanding that all 4 of these are actually the exact same part number. So whether you're doing intake or exhaust, bank 1, bank 2, it should not matter, unless the parts clerk told me wrong, but I have seen a lot of these that they are the same part numbers. So anyways, today's code was P0014, and that was for the exhaust side, bank 1. So first and foremost, bank 1 is closer to the firewall. And bank 2, if you have those, that's going to be on closer to the radiator side. So I did a little cheater here. I get sometimes I'll get some hate comments in the comments section, which is fine. I do what you got to do, guys. But I just took a knife and I just cut out this little section right here so I can access. You can see this connector right here. Let me grab the new one. You can see that. That's where that goes. Now, if you do want to remove all the foam or whatever, I don't know what they call this material. Somebody can let me know down in the comments exactly what this material is called. I have no idea. But you would have to unplug all these connectors, unplug what looks like the positive crankcase ventilation hose, undo all your ignition coil, harness, unplug that, and then you could probably lift this up if you don't want a little cutout like I did. But anyways, I did the cutout method. You do your method, whatever works for you. So these GM clips right here, you can actually press this back with your finger. Unless it's an older vehicle, then this is probably going to be a little tougher. But just pull that back until it's about that far, and then you can press down and you should be able to unplug your connector. So that's that part. Now you're going to take your 10mm socket, and that should be the size that goes on here. I pre-loosened it. It was not on that tight. So even if you do have a basic 1/4 inch set, it should be more than enough. You shouldn't need anything crazy like a 1/2 inch ratchet or 1 inch or oh, come on. Stay focused. There we go. Okay, so usually once you get that loose, you should be able to rotate this a little bit. And then once I did that, I was just able to pry it out. Just like so. Ooh, that's a little hot. Probably should have waited for the engine to cool down a little bit. This one actually doesn't look too bad. I have seen some of these that have a lot of shavings, debris and stuff. These are all covered up. So usually if you see these and they're clean like this and you're still getting those codes, then it probably replacement is the only remedy. But on the off chance that yours is super caked with debris and doesn't look like this, then you can probably try cleaning it and you might be good. But this one's probably a replacement, so I'm just gonna set that aside. And then make sure wherever it is you're buying these from that they do come with a new O-ring, a new seal right here. So I'm just gonna get this cleaned up as best as I can. That way the new seal has a chance to seat properly without any old debris, old oil, crusties, whatever, etc. But yeah, make sure that sits down nice and snug in place. Tighten back up your bolts and reconnect, clear your codes, and you should be good to go.